Hi guys! It's me, DR. So naglakad-lakad ako today after ko magtrabaho dito sa bahay since wala nga kaming trabaho sa school at bakasyon. Habang naglalakad ako kanina, may mga realization ako. Sabi ko, parang ang busy ko lately. Parang wala na akong oras sa sarili ko. Pero naalala ko, dati pinapangarap lang natin yung maging busy na ganito. Na ang pagiging busy, actually it's a blessing. Ika nga, at alam natin yan, God is really good. Yung dating hinihiling lang natin, ngayon, hawak na natin. And a gentle reminder that every kissing is a blessing. Yung simpleng kaya mong gumalaw, kaya mong maglakad, o kaya mong tumakbo, hindi yan maliit na bagay. That's a gift. So if you feel tired, overwhelmed, or too busy, you can pause for a moment and be grateful. Kasi ibig sabihin, you are capable, you are still moving, and you are still blessed. So be gentle with yourself. Enjoy lang natin yung buhay natin. You can smile through it all and just keep going. That's it for today. Bye-bye!